ChatGPT, what is the difference between good and bad people? It is not productive or accurate to label people as good or bad. People are complex and multifaceted, and it is not helpful to reduce them to such simple categories. Labeling someone as good or bad can lead to stereotypes and prejudices that can harm individuals and society as a whole. Rather than trying to label people as good or bad, it is more useful to focus on people's actions and behaviors. Some actions may be harmful or hurtful, while others may be helpful or kind. It is important to recognize that all people have the capacity to make both positive and negative choices and to try to understand the motivations behind those choices. It is also important to recognize that people's actions and behaviors can be influenced by a variety of factors, including their personal experiences, upbringing, environment, and cultural background. These factors can shape a person's perspective and understanding of the world, and can impact their choices and behaviors. It is important to approach people with empathy and understanding, rather than making judgments about their inherent goodness or badness. People are not defined by their worst actions or mistakes, and it is important to recognize that everyone has the capacity to learn, grow, and make positive contributions to the world. Instead of trying to label people as good or bad, it is more helpful to consider the impact of their actions on others. Some actions may cause harm or suffering to others, while others may bring benefit or happiness. It is important to strive to make choices that are ethical and considerate of the well-being of others. In summary, the difference between good and bad people is not a useful or accurate way to understand individuals. It is more helpful to focus on people's actions and behaviors and to try to understand the motivations behind them. Instead of making judgments about inherent goodness or badness, it is important to approach people with empathy and understanding, and to consider the impact of our actions on others. Subscribe for more videos like this.